I'd like to say a few words about cross-border mediation or international mediation. So I use the words here cross-border and international interchangeably, and I'm referring to mediation that takes place where the parties are from different jurisdictions, so crossing borders. Some of you may have heard of the Singapore Convention on Mediation. It is a relatively new United Nations treaty which was signed by 46 countries on the 7th of August 2019. And at the time when I'm making this presentation, 52 countries have signed on and 4 countries have ratified that convention. The lawyers amongst you will know that ratification is important because 6 months after ratification of the 3rd country, this convention will come into force.
Notice of the application for the appointment of an emergency arbitrator is always given to the other side. Despite the provision for preliminary orders for interim relief without notice in Article 17B and 17C of the 2006 amendments to the model law, there is still concern about without notice proceedings in arbitrations. The appointment is made very quickly, within 1 day under the SIC rules. The other rules have similar timelines. Emergency arbitrators dispose of the applications before them expeditiously. The ICDR, ICC, and SIC rules require the emergency arbitrator to establish a procedural timetable to deal with the application within 2 days of appointment.
The date of the award is important, inter alia, for the running of statutory time limits for the challenge of the award and for determining when the award begins having res judicata effect. Before we move on to the requirement of reasons, there's another form requirement, is language of the award. Typically, parties will specify through their arbitration agreement the language of the arbitration, which will impliedly extend to the award as well. The parties could of course agree otherwise and ask for the award to be made in a different language.